Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fortnite Battlepass skin. This time it's gonna be Siona. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this character. So here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a kind of a cool character, just the hair is a little bit strange. Alright, so to begin we're going to draw in their eyes first. We're going to draw the upper eyelid. So just draw one curve. Same thing on the other side. And then now on the bottom here, just draw the same curve on the bottom, just opposite. So it's pretty much like two leaf shapes. And then now for the eyeball inside, just draw a little curve, touching the top. And let me add in a really small circle inside, and I'll shade around it. So that's gonna be my highlight. Hope you guys can see this. I know it's kind of small. Okay, so from here, let's draw in the side of the face. So right to the side of the eye right here. Slant down. So this will be the jawline, and then let's come in to finish up the chin, nice and sharp here. Now let's finish up the face on the inside here. So just come down the center, just one little dot, that's gonna be her nose, or one little line. And then now for the lip. just one line across, and then the bottom, just a shorter line for the lower lip. Alright, so we'll keep this simple, and now let's continue on with the top side of the head right here. So right on the corner right here, we'll go up. This is going to be the hairline. Close that off. And I know that looks really strange right now because she doesn't have an eyebrow. So let's draw in the eyebrow. From the corner of the eye, just go up. It's one little line, and then just kind of dip it back down. Start here, slant up, and then dip it back down. Okay, so that's the face, and now let's add in her awesome looking hair. So right in the center, one line. Just curve all the way to the side here, just kind of tuck it in right next to the eye right there. On the bottom, we'll continue this. One little bump. Actually, one big bump. And then now for the top, same thing here, just another bump. And if you want to add in some details on the top right here, you can add in a few lines like this just to show the flow of the hair. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's continue on to the body. So right on the bottom right here, I'm going to draw in the suit first. Just one line across. Just turn that into a little bar. And then inside right here, I'm just going to draw two little lines. That's going to be the neck. And then now let's draw in the little suit right here. Just continue this, go straight down. Here's the waist. I'm going to flare out for the bottom. Slant down, just leave a little bit of a space right here on the bottom, and then just kind of draw a little sharp angle inside. And let's go ahead and finish up this part right here. I'm going to continue this, slant up, back to the center. Let's draw one line down, and then whatever space you have here, just connect those. So this is part of the zipper and the design here. Okay, so we'll draw in the little details later. Let's go ahead and finish up the arms first. Right here on the shoulder. Just come down, angle. Okay, so we're right around here. And then here's the armpit right here. Just come down and then close it off with a slant. Let's add one little section here. So this will be the elbow. And then now for the lower arm, curve all the way down. Another curve on the other side. Okay, so come down right around here. And then now for a hand, it's one little hook for the thumb. Back of the fist. And then just kind of add a little angle right here on the bottom. So very small. One little hook. Back of the hand, and then same thing here. Just dip it down. Just connect to the top. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish up the details right here. There's a little bar right here. I'm just going to draw a really thick line. Right here. Let's draw a little square. It's one little hook. Just turn that into a little bar. See, circle up here. I know there's a lot more details, so I'm just gonna simplify it. And then right on the bottom right here, let's draw two circles. This line. come down here and then just draw a little half circle. Alright, so that's the upper body, and then she's got those big straps right here. But we'll draw that last. Let's go ahead and draw in the short first. So I'm going to start on the side. Let's come almost straight down. Back to the center of this. Let's add another little angle. And then just go out. So that's going to be the short. And now for the legs, the thigh, I'm going to start on the outside. Pretty much straight down. Just keep this simple. And on the inside right here, we'll make it a little bit skinnier on the bottom. So this is going to be the knee. Okay, so continue down. Just flare out slightly and close it off. So she's got those big boots on the bottom. And now let's draw in those boots. So we'll extend this. Let's start on the inside here. Let's come all the way down. Let's start here on the inside. Let's draw one little curve. That's going to be the foot right there. And then we'll close that off. I know it's a little bit strange, but we'll connect everything later. So let's draw one curve past this line. And then now let's connect it, and I'll add in a little bit of a bump here just for some folds. Okay, and then on the corners right here, I'm just gonna go in. Alright, and then let's see, it's got some detail right here. And on the bottom here, I'm just gonna draw another line. Actually, it's gonna connect to the fold, I guess. Alright, so I'm just gonna shade this in real quick. So we can see these bars. Alright, and then let's come back up here. For the two little straps right here, just draw two curves going down and then just close it off with a slant. So you're gonna have to erase out those lines right there. And that is it for this Siona. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.